I'm looking at common factors with larger expressions. So there, we want to factorize 2x bracket 5a plus 2 minus 3y bracket 5a plus 2. That is 2x bracket 5a plus 2 minus 3y bracket 5a plus 2. Okay, so looking at this problem well, we're going to see that which factors are common here. We have 5a plus 2 here. We have 5a plus 2 here. So we're going to take out we're going to bring it out. So 5a plus 2. Okay, so if we bring this one out, we're going to be we're going to be left with 2x and 3y. So bracket 2x minus 3y. Okay, so this is our final answer. You can see now. Let's just assume now that this whole place, let's assume this whole place is k, is letter k, and this whole place too is letter k. So let's assume that we'll write the problem like this: 2x k minus 3y k. Which ones are common here? K is here, k is here. If we bring out 1k, that means if we remove this k, it will remain 2x here minus this k too will remain 3y here. So that's how we did this all parts. This one is coming here, this one is coming here, so we brought it out, remove it out, which is this. So we'll be left with 2x minus 3y. Okay, so now another problem here. Factorize 2d raised power 3 plus d raised power 3 bracket 3d minus 1. Now which one is common in these two places? Now we have d raised power 3 here, you have d raised power 3 here, so we are going to bring that one out. So d raised power 3. So if we remove this d raised power 3 here, we will be left with 2 only. So plus, we will bring out this d raised power 3, we will be left with 3d minus 1. So 3d minus 1. Okay, then which will be equal to d raised power 3 2 minus 1. Let's just arrange it inside the bracket. So d raised power 3 2 minus 1 is still 1 plus 3d. Okay, so finally we can say here we can say d raised power 3 times 1. So d raised power 3 times 1 is still the same thing as d raised power 3. So plus d raised power 3 times 3d, that will give us 3d raised power 4, because d raised power 3 times another d, we make it d raised power 4. So we can leave our answer like this. Okay, so for the b part now, we have x minus 2y bracket z plus 3 minus x plus 2y. Okay, so from here now we can manipulate this in this format. Let's rewrite this one: x minus 2y bracket z plus 3. Now from here, minus 1 if we check these two, which one are common? X is here, X is not here, so we cannot use X. 2 is here, 2 is not here, we cannot use 2. Y is here and Y is not here, we cannot use Y, so let's just use 1, because anything multiplied by 1 is still that thing. So 1 is just put the 1 there for like fancy, because to give you the same value. So if we put 1 here bracket, that means we are still going to write the same values inside. X minus 2y. Now the reason we put minus is because if you say negative times negative, it will give us this plus. So remember that negative minus times minus is plus. So if you want to go back to this place, from here, we're going to say minus 1 times x is still minus x. So minus times minus is plus. So 1 times 2y is still 2y. So we are still saying the same thing. Okay, so now these two are common here, so we are going to take one of them out. So we are going to take them out, minus 2y. So if you remove 2y minus 2y from here, we'll be left with only this place. So we'll be left with z plus 3 here. Okay, and if we remove this one here, which is for this, we'll be left with minus 1. So therefore it's going to be x minus 2y bracket z plus 2. So let me explain it again. This is the question. So from here we want to try to manipulate this to look like this x minus 2. So for here the common factor here is 1, because if you say 1 times 2y is still 2y, 1 times x is still x, so we just brought out 1. So bracket, we still put back our x inside, but this time we put negative, because negative times negative is still this positive. So 1 times 2y is still this 2y. So now we have x minus 2y here is common with this one. So we bring out both of them, bringing them out, that's it here. So if we remove this one, we'll be left with z plus 3. If we remove this one, we'll be left with only minus 1. So z plus 3 minus 1. So and 3 minus 1 is 2. So that's it. So looking at this last problem, we have a plus m 2a minus 5m minus a plus m square. Okay, so this one is one region, this one is another region. So what are common here? We have a plus m here 2 times here because of this raised power 2, while this one we have a plus m was, so we can bring out one of them, so that is a plus m. So if once we remove a plus m from this region, it will remain this number here, that is 2a minus 5m. So let's put our minus here again. If we remove a plus m here, remember this one is this part 2, that means we have a plus m times a plus m. So since we've removed 1, it will remain 1 more here, so that is bracket a plus m. So it's going to be a plus m bracket 2a minus 5m. This one is like, there's like a 1 here, so minus 1 times a is still minus a. Minus times plus is minus. So 1 times m. So 1 times m will give us m. So that is a plus m. We collect like times 2a minus a minus 5m minus m. So let m meet themselves, let a meet themselves. That's what I did here. So a plus m will then be equal to 2a minus a is a, just like 2a minus 1a. Okay, so it's still a. minus 5m minus m will give us minus 6m. So kind of like minus 5 minus 1 will give you, if you are owing me 5 naira, then I now borrow you 1 naira again, that means you're owing me 6 naira. So minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. So m, we're going to put our m. So that's our final answer, is a plus m brackets a minus 6m.